Hello! In this video, we will use commas and quotation marks to punctuate dialogue. Speaking of punctuation, let's try to read this paragraph. They needed people to join the reptile team. Would you like to pat the crocodile at the zoo? Would be important to the zoo opening. I will help, Pat replied. Wait, pat the crocodile? How could a reader possibly understand the meaning of this paragraph? Punctuation is needed to make the paragraph clear. They needed people to join the reptile team. Would you like to, Pat? The crocodile at the zoo would be important to the zoo opening. I will help, Pat replied. When you write, you want the reader to be able to understand what you mean. Correct punctuation of dialogue can help. Dialogue is made up of the exact words a person says to another person. In this sentence, I work at the zoo are the exact words Maria says. Notice that one quotation mark appears before the dialogue begins. A comma appears at the end of the dialogue, before another quotation mark. The quotation marks show us that Maria said these words. Dialogue sometimes appears at the end of a sentence. Here, the comma appears before the opening quotation mark. The quotation marks still appear before and after the dialogue. The end punctuation for the dialogue still appears before the closing quotation mark. And that's how you use commas and quotation marks to punctuate dialogue. See you next time.